Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to convert USDT to ZAR on OKX in 2025. If you're dealing with crypto and need to switch your tether, that's USDT, a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, into South African Rand, ZAR, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember to stay safe in the crypto world. Double check everything and use secure methods. First things first, make sure you have an OKX account set up. If you don't, head to the OKX website or app and sign up. It's quick and free. Once you're logged in, verify your identity if you haven't already. OKX requires this for withdrawals to keep things secure. Step 1. Deposit your USDT. Go to the Wallet section, select USDT, and choose your deposit method. You can transfer from another exchange or directly from your crypto wallet. Wait for the deposit to confirm. It usually takes a few minutes. Next, navigate to the Trade or Convert feature. OKX has a user-friendly interface, so look for the Spot Trading or P2P section. Search for the USDT ZAR pair. In 2025, OKX might have even more streamlined options, so keep an eye out for any new tools they introduce. Now, for the conversion. Enter the amount of USDT you want to trade. Set your order, maybe as a market order for instant conversion or limit if you want a specific rate. Hit Buy ZAR, or whatever the equivalent is, and confirm the transaction. Fees are typically low, but check them beforehand to avoid surprises. After the trade executes, your ZAR should appear in your OKX wallet. If you need it in your bank account, go to the Withdrawal section, select ZAR, enter your bank details, and process the withdrawal. It might take 1 to 3 business days, depending on your bank. And there you have it. USDT turned into ZAR hassle-free. Always monitor market rates because crypto prices can fluctuate. If you're new to this, start small. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. See you in the next video.